Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss star topology. We have already discussed bus topology in our previous video. The most common wide topology that is used is star topology. Star topology is a network topology in which each network component is physically connected to a central node such as router, hub or switch. When the central node receives a packet or data from a connecting node, it can pass that packet on to other nodes in the network. In star topology, all computers are connected to a central wiring point such as a hub or a switch or a router. If the source node wants to send some data to the destination node, the source node has to pass the data to the central node and the central node will forward that data to the destination. In bus topology, all nodes receive the data or copy of the data, but in star topology, only the destination will receive the data. The star topology uses a separate cable for each node or workstation. Star topology requires a point-to-point connection between the central node and the connecting devices. To improve communication between the devices on the network, the central node can provide signal reconditioning and amplification services. Now we'll discuss some advantages and disadvantages of star topology. It is very easy to install and configure. The main advantage of star topology is if one link fails, the network can still function because each connecting node is isolated from all other connecting nodes. It is easy to add or remove individual components to and from a network. Now we'll discuss some disadvantages. Here, a failure in the central node will affect the entire network. If the central node, that means switch, hub or router, is failed, no communication can take place. If the central node has lot of traffic, lot of processing, the performance will deteriorate. We have to purchase hub, switch or router. It will increase the installation cost. We can have a variation in star topology like extended star topology where two or more star topologies can be connected with the help of a repeater. The performance results are better for the extended star topology. The network maintenance and monitoring can be done properly. The new devices can be easily added to the network and can connect to the central hub. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.